Hey, good morning, everybody. We're here in La Jolla at the League House, and we've got a project here at, actually not the League House, the Darlington House. It's an old facility that is now being used as an event venue and a fundraiser for the League House, which is a home next door for folks on limited income. So what we're going to be doing is refinishing all these windows up here. We have another company, MLS Termite Services and Window Restoration. They're popping all the windows out, getting all the weights to work properly, and this building we've painted before. My brother Ned and I, years ago, we like this last year, just did these arabesque doors, and we put metal up on the top because they were starting to get a little rot problem in them. As you can see, these doors are really beautifully done. The guys did a nice job on them. So over here, isn't this a cool patio? Look at that floor and the grill work with the plants on it. This is just a wonderful venue. My sister Wig was married here, gosh, years and years ago. Gosh, probably 30 years ago. Over here, this is the library, and these mahogany doors we just refinished last year. Now I'm inside the house in the main living room, and there's Tony outside using a Festool sander with a vacuum attached. You notice the windows are a little bit hazy. It's because we're using liquid masking. Liquid masking seals the glass against the glazing so that we get a much longer lasting paint job. Here's the front door that we'll be refinishing as well. I'll show you that at a later date. And there's Tony going at it. So the other company took the windows out, made sure everything worked, and stripped the railings there on the side so that the windows would actually operate properly. And there's Tony taking it down. You see a lot of missing putty, so we'll be filling that as well. And here's a window before. It looks like we've done a little scraping on it. But these windows will be sprayed with a full coat of primer and 2 finish coats. And then we'll cut the liquid masking out so that we get a super tight finish. I'll keep you posted.